Hello everyone, this is Mrs. V. Kavita from the Department of Costume Design and Fashion. Today we are going to see about yarns. In this video, we are going to see about introduction to yarns, definition of yarns, types of yarns, classifications of yarns, yarn twist and twist per inch. First is the introduction of yarns. Yarn is a long continuous length of interlocked fibers used in the production of textiles, sewing, crocheting, knitting, weaving, embroidery and rope making. A fairly high degree of twist produce strong yarn. A loose twist produce softer and more luster yarn, and a very tight twist produce a crisp yarn. Next is the definition of yarn. Yarn consists of several strands of material twisted together. Each strand in turn made up of fibers which are shorter. These short fibers are spun into longer filament to make yarn. Long continuous strand may not require additional twisting to make them into yarns. Next, we are going to see about the types of yarns. So, yarns are basically divided into two types. One is staple yarn, another one is the filament yarn. Staple yarn, which is otherwise called as spun yarn, are made up of short fibers that must be held together by some means. Usually, it is twisting in order to form into a long continuous yarn. Filament yarn. A filament yarn is made up of one or more continuous strand called filament. Most of the synthetic fibers have been produced into the form of filament yarn. For example, silk is the only natural fiber which is a filament yarn. Now we are going to see about the characteristics of spun yarn. The yarns made up of short length fiber and the fabrics are like cotton and wool or spun yarn. Short fibers twisted into continuous strand having protruding ends are called as spun yarn. It looks dull, frizzy and has an lens. It is subjected to pill and it soils readily. It has loft and bulkiness depends on the size and the twist. It doesn't sag readily. The stretchability depends on the amount of twist and they are observant. Size often expressed in yarn number. Various amount of twist is used in spun yarn and it is the most difficult or complex manufacturing process. Next is the characteristics of filament yarn. Yarn made from long length filament fiber such as silk are called as filament yarn. It is long, continuous, smooth and closely spun. It is smooth, luster and does not have any lens. It doesn't pile readily. It sheds soil and sagginess depends on the fabric constructions. The stretchability is again depends on the amount of twist. The observancy of the filament yarn depends on the fiber content. It is measured in denier. It is usually has very low or very high twist and it is the least complicated manufacturing process in the spinning unit. Now we are going to see about the classifications of the yarns. The yarns are also classified by the number of parts. So first is the single yarn. So this is the basic unit of yarn which is made from a group of filament or staple fibers twisted together. If it is untwisted, it will be separated into the individual fibers. The next is the ply yarn. Two or more single yarns are twisted together to make a single yarn. If it is untwisted, it will separate into a single yarn which will be separated into a individual fiber. The next is the cord yarn. Two or more ply yarns are twisted together. If it is untwisted, it is separated into a ply yarn first, then again it is separated into a single yarn. In turn, again it is separated into an individual fiber. The next category we are going to see is novelty yarn, which is also called as fancy yarns or complex yarns. Yarn that have a decorative effect and it is not in uniform in size and appearance. The final classification is core yarn. It is again a spun yarn. Yarn that have a central core of one fiber around which it is wrapped or twisted an external layer. The topic we are going to see now is yarn twist. The yarn twist means a direction of twist. When fibers are twisted to make a yarn, they are twisted to right or left. This twisting is called S or Z twist. Most yarns are made with Z twist. The direction of twist does not usually affect the characteristics of yarn or the fiber. Twist per inch. The number of twists per inch in ply yarns can be determined by counting the number of bumps in 1 inch and divided by number of singles. The amount of twist in a yarn helps to define the style of the yarn. It also affects the stretchiness of the yarn, strength of the yarn, the hollowness of the yarn and many other attributes. Filling or weft yarns usually have few twists per inch because strength is not much important as warp yarns and highly twisted yarns are in general strong. Warp yarns have to be stronger so that they can withstand the tension of the looms. The amount of twist affects the characteristics and properties of yarn, includes appearances, behaviors and durability. In general, higher twist creates yarn that are stronger, more firmer, smaller in diameter, smoother, resistant to snagging and abrasion, resilient and good conductor of heat. Whereas the low twist yarns are weaker, softer, larger in diameter, fizzy, prone to sagginess and abrade, crush easily, resistance to heat transfer. The filament yarns often have little or no twist because they are continuous and strong. The fibers will not break or separate from yarn as it is easy as spun or staple yarn. So in today, the takeaways are, so we saw about what are the yarns. So yarn is a continuous filament or it is spun together. A staple is spun together. And we saw about the different types of yarn, which is filament yarn and a staple yarn. Filament is a continuous yarn and a staple is a short fibers twisted together. Then we saw about the classifications of yarn, which is single yarn, which is the basic unit. Then we saw about the ply yarn, which is the two or more single yarns combined together to form a ply yarn. Then we saw about the cord yarn, where two or more ply yarns join together to form a cord yarn. Next we saw about the core yarn, which is the basic unit of a fancy yarn or a novelty yarn. Finally we saw about novelty yarn, which is a fancy yarn or a complex yarn. Again we saw about yarn twist. So we have two twists in the yarn, which is S twist and Z twist. Finally we saw about twist per inch. So twist per inch, also called as TPI, which is the number of twist in 1 inch is called as twist per inch. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Thank you.